Hello, fifth grade families. My name is Molly Holohan, and I am the principal of Chippewa. I would like to welcome you to our virtual parent information night. We are very excited to spend this time with you online, virtually. Of course, we wish you were here in person, but we've put together a lot of information that I think will be really helpful to you and to your fifth grader when you look ahead to coming to Chippewa in the fall. I am in my second year as principal. This is my 10th year in the district. I also live in the district, and I have a fourth grader and a sixth grader and an eighth grader. So I'm very familiar with the Mounds View schools. I think this is a fantastic place to be, and I'm really excited to welcome your family to join us. So the format for this event, because we had to do this virtually, we were putting together a whole bunch of stuff, and I believe it will all be helpful. We do have an interactive map that has 360-degree photos of the spaces that your children will spend some time in. We have a course description that is written out verbally, and then we have a link to a video from each department that talks about the sixth grade curriculum. Do check out those videos. Some of them are absolutely adorable, really, really informative and fun. There's also additional videos from the deans, from our library media specialists, from our CHAC, which is our parent advisory group, from food service. So lots of information there. Most importantly, there is a Google form to register your child for their music or non-music selection in sixth grade. There's a description of the Chippewa narrative that explains like who we are and what we believe. There's the fifth grade handbook that's got a lot of the technical stuff in it. And then there are links to live question and answer sessions that we will hold on Tuesday, February 2nd, a session at 5:30, at 6, at 6:30. These are totally optional. It will be me and our associate principal and our admin intern and a couple of deans, and we're just happy to answer any questions that you might have. Speaking of our team, we have Kate Bennett as our associate principal, April Berthium as our administrative intern, Eric Iverson as our equity specialist, and then we have 5 amazing deans, and you can see the breakdown by last name, and they're going to do their own video to describe their role and to introduce themselves. I want to tell you that overall, our goal here at Chippewa is to do what is best for each and every student. We are intending to have school as normal next year. We want students to come back every day in person, to have a 7-period day, although for sixth graders, their classes are blocked in ELA and math. So over the course of 3 periods, they have 2 classes. We plan to have after-school activities and after-school buses. We really want to get everybody back in the building. However, we want to hang on to and expand the positive innovations that have come out of distance learning. We have become ninjas for personalization, especially with the use of tech tools. So if a student needs some extra practice or a student's ready for some extension activity, we've got that covered. We probably will always offer virtual parent-teacher conferences. Yes, come into the building, but if it works better for your family to do it on a Google Meet or Zoom, those are going to be some innovations we're going to keep doing. We also know that we have to re-emphasize connectedness. We've been apart for too long, and so really focusing on those peer-to-peer connectedness activities, the student-to-teacher connectedness activities. At Chippewa, we have a rigorous academic program aligned with some personalization. So we have a comprehensive program in 6th grade with English Language Arts 6, math at the appropriate level for your student, 6th grade Minnesota Studies, which is our social studies class. Our science for 6th grade next year is going to be earth science. We have STEAM courses, integrated math and integrated science, where students get a chance to do coding and robotics, as well as work with 3D printers and Cameo cutters. And then in 7th and 8th grade, there's a lot more allied arts choices, as well as PE and music available, music, band, choir, and orchestra every year. We believe at Chippewa in offering a ton of social emotional support. This building is full of caring educators who want to know your child. We do have that dean model where the students get a chance to meet with their dean at least 3 times a year. The dean is your go-to resource for students and families. We have a progressive discipline policy in the sense that we are really responsive to student needs, and that we don't take them out of class for behaviors. If something comes up, we send a person to the classroom to help out. We have consequences that are paired with a process so that students can learn from their mistakes and create a system to restore what it is that has been harmed. I have to admit we haven't had to do a lot of discipline this year, but I really do believe in our discipline philosophy. We have a student voice group, that is our student leadership group, our HERD, as well as you can hear separately from our parent advisory council, like our PTA, which we call CHAC. When we are together, we focus on learner habits and character traits that are around the concept of I create, standing for collaboration, reflection, engagement, advocacy, critical thinking, and exploration. We believe that these learner habits will serve students well throughout middle school, high school, and into their post-secondary options, as well as the character traits that we want students to have. We do want them to collaborate with peers. We want them to be advocates for themselves and for others. We want them to explore all sorts of things, both academically as well as just things that are out in the world. We do have a performance-based, kind of proficiency-based grading system here at Chippewa. We believe that a student's grade will reflect what he or she knows and can do. 80% of a student's grade is based on performance assessments, and 20% of a grade is based on practice work. We just don't want students that are just having daily assignments that make mistakes. We don't want that grade to weigh too heavily. That's why it's in the 20% category. It's okay that they're learning. We want to see what they know and can do on those assessments. But we also understand that they're middle schoolers and the assessment might not always go well. So if something's in the 80% category of a grade, we do offer relearning opportunities so students can retake those kinds of assessments. We want to do a good job communicating with you about your students' progress in all of the content areas. In the elementaries, it is true proficiency-based grading, and you're very familiar with that. Here at Chippewa, we have some areas use a 1, 2, 3, 4, some do a straight A, B, C, D. I commit to you that we will put the resources into Synergy, that's actually parent view on your side of things, so that you can see how your child is doing. And I want you to know that we're always open to conferencing with families so that you can get a strong handle on where your student is at and what are the next steps in his or her learning. This picture is a little dark, but it is a bridge. We believe we are, we're the transition from elementary to high school. And we have lots of transition opportunities to make sure students are comfortable in middle school. So even in this strange year, we want the kids to really feel good about coming to Chippewa. Deans have already joined the fifth graders in a morning meeting. We're going to have the fifth graders visit Chippewa in person, hopefully, in late May. We as a team will meet with the fifth grade teaching teams, and we're going to discuss the students' academic and social emotional strengths and support areas. If there's areas that have any gaps because of their kind of potentially disrupted fifth grade year, we're going to make sure we fill those in sixth grade. And we are committed to partnering with you to answer all of your questions and address any concerns you might have. So thank you. We really are truly excited to have your child join us. We believe middle school is a key time in students' development, and we are excited to be a part of their journey. I would not work at any other level. I love middle schoolers, and so do the people in this building. We are confident that you're going to love having your child attend Chippewa. Thanks, and we hope to see you very soon.